Most people think making $1,000 online takes months of coding or endless cold messaging. But what if you could package real Google and AI search data in under 45 seconds Pell and charge clients $250 to $500 for it? In this video, I'm showing you exact step-by-step strategy to make $1,000 using MetricVault AI. You don't need to be an SEO expert, you just need 4 minutes and 2 to 4 clients. Let's dive straight into the dashboard.
Here's the secret. Small businesses and SaaS startups are terrified of losing traffic to AI search engines like ChatGPT and Gemini. Instead of offering generic SEO, you offer a competitor X-ray and AI visibility report. Watch this. Inside MetricVault AI, you go to the competitor intelligence workflow. You type in a prospect's domain and their biggest rival. In under 45 seconds, MetricVault fires 5 tools simultaneously, pulling live Google traffic data, backlinks, ad spend, keyword gaps, and brand mentions powered by DataForSEO and live AI. You get a complete, unified intelligence report instantly without having to open 5 separate tabs or build spreadsheets by hand. Now, here is what makes this offer irresistible in 2026. MetricVault's AI visibility feature. It literally shows brands how ChatGPT and Gemini see their business compared to competitors. Once MetricVault generates the report, you click Export PDF or hit White Label Report. MetricVault formats everything into a clean, professional audit that looks like a top-tier agency spent a week building it. You didn't fabricate anything. Every number comes from real DataForSEO and live LLM measurements. You just made actionable insights push-button easy. How do you turn this into $1,000? Use MetricVault's 8-second quick preview on top-rated local services, e-commerce stores, or tech startups. Type their domain to get an instant snapshot of their authority, traffic, and missing keywords. Send the business owner a short video or message. Hey, mister, I ran a fast AI and competitor audit on your site. You're losing roughly 30% of search traffic to example competitor on AI search. Here's a quick screenshot. Offer them the full, deep dive competitor and content action plan for $250. Just 4 sales equals $1,000. Or charge $500 and you only need 2 sales. You don't need years of experience, you just need the right data engine. Head over to MetricVaultAI.com, run your first domain in the quick preview bar, and test out the competitor intelligence report yourself. Click the link in the description to get started today, and subscribe for more AI income strategies.